Okay, it is time for basement fire alarm test 12. Today the test was requested, so we'll go ahead and look through all the devices and see what he requested. So first off, for the pull station, we're doing the Simplex 2099-9754 conventional single action T-bar. I used this in a previous test, but we're going to use it again because he requested it. And let me grab my chair real quick. And if we go up above, we have a Simplex 2901-9833 horn on a Simplex 4903-9101 strobe plate. He originally requested the light plate, but this was right after I did my 50 sub test, and I said we were not doing the light plate again for a while, so I put this up instead. But he did request this 9833 horn. It is set on march time, and the strobe will just be doing continuous. So let's go ahead and set the alarm off. Here we go. Resetting this pull station is just as easy as putting the key in, turning it and opening it, and closing it right back. So we're going to go ahead and go back over to the panel and reset. There we go. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. As always, be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Thank you and have a great day.